Hey besties, it's time for makeup for besties. So she went to a makeup, it looked like a makeup school. You know, I went to cosmetology school so I can see those little chairs and stuff. But why they so rough?
Oh my
I
god.
mean, like they rough. Like rough. I mean, the roughest. I guess because I'm gentle with myself. Let me know in the comments if this is common. Because I wouldn't want nobody to do my makeup that rough. I mean, super rough. Oh. This got to be somebody practicing. Them wings ain't wings. And she looked like she's so over it. Oh, we got to put on more tape.
No.
Where you take the tape off to put more tape on it? This got to be a school. This got to be. Why is they so rough? It's just so rough. Rough. Now we back with concealer? Now we pulling oh my god, it looked like she got beat in the face. Oh, that is just not a good job. No. Oh my god. All right, makeup for besties. This is look number 2. Now, she literally wants to be an alien. She wants to be an alien. I don't blame her. I think that we are all aliens, if you ask me. But when it comes to makeup, I feel like the whole purpose around it, some people think that it's just supposed to enhance your beauty. For me, I feel like it is an outlet for you to be creative, even if it is done wrong. Now we have purple. Oh, I like that. Oh, she took it off. She did not like that. I like the purple though. Oh. Okay. Oh. It's looking a bit waxy. I like the orange lines. It just looks like it's the product of whatever the first purple that she put down. It looks like it was very waxy. So anything else that she put on top of it started to cake. You paid attention to that? I know you did, bestie. Now, I am going to ask you at the end, so stay tuned towards, not the end of this video, but the end of the whole segment, to see which was your favorite look. And you can tell me. I think she done. She said no. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, besties, this is the third look of the day.
Ready,
and
go!
It says, watch me accidentally age myself for 30 years. Oh, this is going to be, we starting out with a banger. Now, this is really a cool technique, though, to use your sponge if you want to create wrinkles by doing this with a lot of product. That is a really good skill to try to use if you want to do some special effects makeup. Hey, I dropped the hint. You pick it up, okay? What do you guys think about what she's doing so far? I think she's trying to purposely make herself look older. She's doing a good job. It's really enhancing like a lot of the wrinkles. I think she's done. I think she could have did more. All right, besties. We have our final 3 looks. Now, you get to let me know which one was your favorite. Yes, you have to choose between these 3. All right, I see you on the next episode of Makeup for Besties.